Okay, this is another video I'm doing on 1995 Chevy Corsica. This was the problem I had with the computer, was getting wet. You see, I was showing you where it was there. It's under the glove box. You actually had to go up underneath the glove box to see it. It's just a big silver square box. What was happening with this was my engine light was going off all the time. The car would start to idle real rough, and it just it always seemed to do it. The way I found out was that it always seemed to do it like after a day that it had rained or something like that. I took it into a couple of shops and they just couldn't figure out what it was. They kept saying, oh, the computer won't link up to it. They tell me it's a speed sensor, it's throttle position sensor. Just a couple of times I've taken it and they replaced stuff. Nothing worked. It just came back. And one day I figured, well, what I did is took all the stuff off from underneath the dash and took a gallon of water and poured it all over the windshield, and then got underneath the dash with a flashlight and just watched under the dash just to see if I could see any water running in or anywhere. And what I found was that the water was dripping in, and it was running down a rail, little metal rail that was welded together, and it was dripping right on the computer. And that's what was going on with it. So I tried to seal up the leaks, which didn't have a lot of success in doing that. So what I did is I just actually pulled the computer down and taped the back of it, and I moved it to a position where there was no water dripping on it. I even had to one time replace the computer the first time, because after I realized what it was, because even after I fixed it and taped it up, it had already ruined the computer. So there you go, man.